Welcome back to another GeekaWhat video. Today I'm taking you over the best $300 gaming PC build for June and July 2015. This build will max out your favourite titles such as World of Warcraft, League of Legends, CSGO and Minecraft at 1080p and sit at 60 FPS. It will also achieve 720p between 30 and 60 FPS on medium to high settings in the latest AAA titles. This build really is great with a quad-core APU from AMD, an FM2 Plus USB 3 and PCIe 3 motherboard, 8GB of super fast RAM from G.Skill, a nice big hard drive to store all of your games, movies, music and Steam library. This build really is the best you can get for $300. Do remember to like, comment, rate and please do subscribe. Tweet me at GeekaWhat and we'll see you in the next GeekaWhat video.